So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Shopify stock, ticker symbol SHOP or SHOP in Canada on Wealthsimple Trade. So once you have Wealthsimple Trade open up on your device, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then go to the search bar at the top and type in ticker symbol SHOP, or I guess you can type in Shopify as well, whatever works. At the top here, press on Shop or Shopify Inc. Then press on buy at the bottom. Now from fractional buy, if you wanted to change this over into a market buy or whatever, press on fractional buy at the top, and you can now change this to market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy, whatever you guys want. So I will just type in fractional buy or keep fractional buy right here. I'll type the amount that you want to invest, so I will just do $1 for this demonstration and press on continue. And to confirm your purchase, pretty simple. Go to the bottom and press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how to buy Shopify stock, ticker symbol SHOP in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.